These are your functions. Still, forward, still, focus, reverse. Looks like there might have been a little cap on that, and it's off, but it works. Your on-off switch works nice. Again, you have the bulb in there, which is half the battle. This is your frame. I'm not sure what that's for, honestly. I'm not a movie projector connoisseur. I just happened to come across a camera shop that was going out of business, and I bought all of them. This says A8. I don't know what the switch does, honestly. It doesn't seem to do anything. This moves around. I'm not sure what it's for. I think it's for here. I think it's for the lens in here. Yeah, I could see it moving. And it looks like there's some adjustments for the feet on there. And everything else, I'm not really sure how it works. I know you need to put some reels on there, which I also sell different various sizes because I have so many projectors, cameras, reels, bulbs, cartridges, etc. Thanks for watching. This was Instamatic MC10 movie camera. Thank you.